Most people believe a bowl of oatmeal is one of the healthiest breakfasts. You can eat and they're right. But here's what most seniors are never told. After 60, your arteries naturally begin to stiffen. And what you add to your oatmeal can make the difference between keeping them flexible or slowly allowing plaque to build up over time. Oatmeal alone is a good foundation. But by itself, it isn't strong enough to undo years of inflammation, cholesterol buildup, and aging blood vessels. That's why today you'll learn 5 simple, natural ingredients you can mix into your morning oatmeal to support circulation, help manage cholesterol, and protect your heart. And stay with me until the end, because ingredient number 1 surprises almost everyone, and it's often the fastest to improve blood flow. Before we begin, tell me in the comments, how old are you and where are you watching from? And how has your health been lately? Number 5, cinnamon. More than just flavor. Most people think of cinnamon as a spice for taste. But after 60, cinnamon quietly protects your arteries from one of the biggest causes of stiffness, blood sugar damage. As we age, our bodies don't handle sugar spikes as efficiently. Excess sugar binds to proteins in artery walls, making them rigid and inflamed. This process, called glycation, is a major driver of aging blood vessels. Cinnamon helps slow how quickly carbohydrates turn into sugar. That means steadier blood sugar, less inflammation, and smoother arteries. Studies show regular cinnamon use can improve insulin sensitivity and lower fasting blood sugar. It's also rich in antioxidants that protect artery walls from damage. Choose Ceylon cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon. Sprinkle 1/2 teaspoon after cooking makri to preserve its benefits. Small habit, big impact. Number 4, extra virgin olive oil. The drizzle that protects your heart. This one surprises most people. A small drizzle of extra virgin olive oil on oatmeal may sound unusual, but it's one of the most powerful artery protective habits after 60. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in polyphenols, compounds that reduce inflammation, prevent artery stiffening, and improve blood flow. Research shows that people who consume olive oil daily experience lower LDL cholesterol, better artery flexibility, and reduced heart disease risk. For seniors, this often shows up as warmer hands and feet, steadier energy, and less heaviness after meals. Always choose extra virgin cold-pressed oil. Never cook it. Drizzle 1 teaspoon after your oatmeal is finished. Number 3, blueberries. Tiny protectors for aging arteries. That deep blue color isn't just beautiful, it's powerful. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, antioxidants that protect the delicate lining of your arteries. They help neutralize free radicals that make vessels stiff and rough. The first step toward plaque buildup. Studies show blueberries improve blood vessel flexibility and increase nitric oxide, which helps arteries relax and improve circulation. For seniors, this often means better stamina, warmer extremities, steadier heart rhythm, and clearer thinking. Add 1 to 2 cup fresh or frozen blueberries to your oats. Avoid canned or sweetened versions. Number 2, flax seeds. Nature's internal cleanup crew. Flax seeds may be small, but they're one of the most effective foods for keeping arteries clear. Their soluble fiber binds to cholesterol in your digestive tract and removes it before it can harden into plaque. At the same time, their omega-3 fats reduce inflammation inside blood vessels. Studies show daily flax consumption can lower LDL, cholesterol, and support healthier blood flow. Important rule: always use ground flax seeds. Whole seeds pass through undigested. Add 1 tablespoon of ground flax to warm oatmeal and let it thicken slightly. Number 1, walnuts. The fastest support for blood flow. Walnuts earn the top spot for a reason. They contain a powerful combination of omega-3 fats, antioxidants, magnesium, and L-arginine, an amino acid your body uses to produce nitric oxide. Nitric oxide signals your arteries to relax and widen, but natural production declines with age, which is why circulation often worsens after 60. Studies show daily walnuts improve artery elasticity, reduce triglycerides, and support healthier blood pressure. Many seniors notice benefits within weeks: better circulation, steadier energy, and improved focus. Eat 4 or 5 walnut halves, chopped and added after cooking. Avoid salted or sugar-coated varieties. How to use these ingredients safely. You don't need to add everything at once. Start with 1 or 2 ingredients and build gradually. They work even better together, enhancing each other's absorption and benefits. Morning is ideal, but consistency matters more than timing. Final thought: this isn't about perfection. It's about small, daily habits that quietly protect your heart. Your oatmeal can be more than breakfast. It can be a simple daily act of care for your arteries, circulation, and long-term independence. If this helped you, please like the video, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe to Dolgrow Health for more clear, Science-based guidance made just for seniors. Small changes, real protection. One morning at a time.